Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today I'm going to share you with how to make a open equal to high and open equal to low option scanner. It's very simple. First of all, we need Fire's one trading platform. If you didn't have account with Fire's, I will give the link below in the description box. Just click it and open a free trading and demat account with the Fire's. Once your account is open, you will get a trading platform like this. This is the most advanced trading platform. Okay. So let's see how to make a option scanner. This is the Nifty bank. Just right click, then you can see option chain. Okay, this is the option chain. Here you can see a symbol like book. Just click it. Then the top section you can see link to Excel. Just click. We are making open equal to low and open equal to high scanner. So we don't need another thing. We just need symbol name, open, high, low. Okay, we need only these three. Then click OK. Next, open Excel. Make sure Excel is run as administrator, or else it will show an error. Then Control V. Okay. Here you can OHL. If bracket open is equal to high, then open is equal to high, comma, if again bracket open is equal to low, comma, open is equal to low. That's it. Okay. Then you will get what are the strike having open equal to high and open equal to low. And if you want to identify easily, call and put. I give the condition specific test CE means call. CE I give red color, green color. Specific test PE I give red color. So it will be easy identified to call and put. New rule, specific test high, red color, new rule, low, green color. Okay, so today open equal to high strike only, so just filter it. See, all call is open equal to high. That means today market is downtrend. It will be easy to identify the trend of the market. If open equal to high more in call, that means market is downtrend. If open equal to high more in put, then that means market is uptrend. See, market is downtrend only. It's coming down only. So today market is downtrend. The benefit of this scanner is we will get live updation. There is no delay. You will get live updation. Like this way you can make any type of scanner. This is Bank Nifty scanner. Okay, if you want to make nifty, just click link to Excel. We need symbol name, open, low, high, click OK, then click here and Control V. Okay, so nifty both open cycle to low and open cycle to high is come, so we can filter here. So these are the strike have open cycle to high, and see here put is open cycle to low. See, most of the put is open cycle to low. That means the trend is down. Open cycle to high. See, all call options having open cycle to high. All put having open cycle to low. So it will be help to identify the trend of the nifty or bank nifty or any other stocks options. You can do like this method. So it's a very simple scanner, and it's a live updation. We will get it because it's directly linked to the Excel, so there is no delay. That's the benefit. Anyone can make a scanner like this. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasmiller2070 at gmail.com. Also WhatsApp me. Please visit my website also nicholasmiller.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.